Hey y'all, so I hope everyone had a great weekend. I myself had a 4-day weekend off of work, so I was able to get a lot of things done. And since I had some extra time, I did decide to go to Wegmans and also Aldi for the week. So on the menu this week we have hot dogs with chips, pasta salad, and I plan to make a large batch so we can have some leftover for lunch. Then we'll do barbecue chicken with veggies. We'll do a baked ravioli lasagna, and then some hamburger gravy with rice. And the rest of the week will just be sort of fend for yourself. Maybe sandwiches, leftovers, or frozen pizza. So let me show you what I picked up at Wegmans. So I did get a shallot, some broccoli florets, carrots, and a large container of grape tomatoes. This will all be used in the pasta salad. We were out of strawberry preserves, so I picked up a jar of that and some apple juice. The Wegmans cereals are $1.89 a box, so I got some cinnamon squares and the Cap'n Crunch knockoff. 4 jars of spaghetti sauce. Their 18-pack eggs were $2 a pack, so I picked up 2 of those. Got 6 containers of yogurt, which they are 50 cents a container, which is a little cheaper than Aldi. Picked up some salsa, angel hair pasta, some sharp cheddar. Then we also got some white American cheese, some shaved ham and turkey from the deli. I picked up 2 boxes of rotini for the pasta salad. And then the dipped chips deluxe were clearanced out for $1.79, so I picked 2 of those up. Couple blocks of Munster cheese and extra sharp cheddar. Butter was only $2 a block there, so I picked 2 of those up, along with some strawberry cream cheese and a huge bag of cheese ravioli for the baked ravioli lasagna. Ground beef is also cheaper at Wegmans at $3.49 a pound, so I got about 6 pounds of ground beef. And then I bought a 3-pack of their thin crust pizzas to keep on hand. And at Wegmans we spent just under $105. So let me get this put away and I will show you what I picked up at Aldi. So I picked up some feta cheese and some of the sliced mozzarella to put in the pasta salad. And as you guys know, on Saturdays I like to cook a big breakfast and I like to have something sweet. And they had this new berry medley and lemon blueberry muffins, so I picked those up for that. Got some barbecue chips and my daughter's favorite onion rings to have with hot dogs. 2 bags of sweet butter lettuce. Some wheat bread, some cinnamon raisin bagels, and some hot dog buns. And I actually have hot dogs in the freezer, so I didn't need to pick any of those up. We were out of ketchup and syrup, so I got those along with some milk. And just now realizing I meant to pick up SpaghettiOs with meatballs, and I picked up beefaroni. So I'm hoping my son will still eat these. We'll see. Then I also picked up some bacon, some frozen broccoli, some bite-sized salami and pepperoni for the pasta salad, 3 containers of strawberries. They were $1.99 a pack. And I also picked up some Sara Lee pound cake. Before keto, this was like my favorite pound cake. And I believe it was only $5 for the extra large size or family size at Aldi. So I picked that up for them to have like an easy dessert with the strawberries. So at Aldi we spent around $56. So between the 2 we came in at around $160 for the week, which I thought was pretty good. So I hope everyone has a great week ahead, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!